Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel. In this short video, I'm just going to show you what comes in the Fireworks 4th of July page kit that I have available in my Etsy shop. You can check the description below and you'll find a link where to pick up one of these kits. Just giving you a quick close-up of the kit, or of the sample. So in your kit, you will receive a sheet of instructions with a full photo on the front, and on the back you will see the images to help you with paper piecing, and there's some notes here to help you along the way. I also have some videos on my channel of walking you step by step through all of these for paper piecing, so you can actually pick up your kit, and then when you're ready to put together, go ahead and turn on my YouTube videos, and we'll put them together. So here we go. So you will receive 2 solid sheets and 2 background sheets. In the instructions, it will tell you what size to trim these down to. Now your photo mats are already cut to size. These, I believe you will have to trim these down as well. That'll be in the instructions. And these are cut to size, the photo mats. You'll receive all of the paper piecings. You'll have a little baggie for each set, and then the larger pieces will be loose in the kit. But this is how your kit comes. And again, if you haven't done any paper piecing before, please check out my videos, and I show you exactly what I do. A shout out to Miss Kate Cuttables for her amazing images. This is her castle, and I used some of her fireworks and her fireworks title and put together a beautiful image for you all. So I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Please click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And again, please check that description below for the link to my shop. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.